The courtroom kid. Judge Walter Grayson thought it would be just another day, another teenage defendant, another guilty plea. 19-year-old Jalen Dawson, charged with grand theft auto and resisting arrest, stood quietly at the defense table. The courtroom buzzed, chuckling as the judge mocked, "This isn't debate club, kid." But Jalen didn't laugh. He had grown up studying the justice system. His mother, a paralegal, taught him everything about how trials really worked. While others played games, he memorized case law. By 14, he could dissect a trial better than some law students. So when his public defender stumbled, Jalen did the unthinkable, he fired her and chose to represent himself. Gasps filled the courtroom. Judge Grayson smirked, amused. Prosecutor Mitchell Carrington, confident and well-rehearsed, delivered what seemed like a slam dunk: fingerprints on the steering wheel, a chase through downtown, testimony from Officer Ruiz. But Jalen calmly asked a simple question. Was Officer Ruiz even on duty when the chase began? Then he requested GPS data to prove the officer wasn't where he claimed to be. The courtroom shifted. Carrington hesitated. Grayson noticed. Next, Jalen dismantled the fingerprint evidence. "Does touching something make you a criminal?" he asked the jury. He explained how the car was unlocked outside a 7-Eleven, how he leaned against it, opened the door out of curiosity, but never drove it. He questioned why no forensic specialist was brought in. No testimony, no cross-examination, just a report. Then came the blow that cracked the case wide open, a statement from the car's owner, Raymond Whitaker, omitted from court files. Whitaker had told police, "The kid I saw was white." The courtroom gasped. Jalen was arrested blocks away from the abandoned car, walking home with snacks. No real connection. Just assumptions and bias. "The officers found a black kid nearby and called it good enough," Jalen said. Judge Grayson leaned back, rubbing his temple. Carrington had nothing left. Case dismissed, the judge finally ruled. The gallery erupted. As Jalen turned to leave, Grayson called out, "You should consider law school." Jalen just smirked, he was already on his way. Outside, reporters swarmed him, but he ignored them. This wasn't about proving how clever he was. It was about showing the cracks in the system. At the bottom of the steps, his mother waited, worried but proud. "You always were the stubborn one," she said, hugging him tight. Across the street, Judge Grayson watched, no longer amused, but reflective. He'd just witnessed something rare, a defendant who forced the system to look in the mirror, and blink. The real lesson? How many others weren't so lucky? How many were convicted on weak evidence and assumptions? This story isn't just about Jalen, it's about all the cases like his that didn't end in justice. Next time, it might not be Jalen. It might be someone you know.